Dishwashing liquid and similar cleaning products are designed for cleaning purposes only and should never be ingested. These products contain chemicals that can cause serious harm if swallowed. The human body is not equipped to process or tolerate these substances. Ingestion can lead to a range of adverse effects, including but not limited to irritation of the mouth, throat, and esophagus, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and in severe cases, damage to internal organs. The severity of the reaction can depend on several factors, including the amount ingested, the concentration of the product, and the individual's overall health. The chemicals in dishwashing liquid can disrupt the normal functioning of the digestive system and other bodily processes. For example, some ingredients can damage the lining of the esophagus, leading to pain and difficulty swallowing. Others can interfere with the absorption of nutrients or cause imbalances in the body's electrolytes. Furthermore, some cleaning products may contain ingredients that are toxic to the liver or kidneys, potentially leading to long-term health problems. If you or someone you know has ingested dishwashing liquid or any other cleaning product, it is crucial to seek immediate medical attention. Do not attempt to induce vomiting unless specifically directed to do so by a medical professional or poison control center. Instead, contact the National Poison Control Center at 1-800-222-1222 for guidance and instructions. The professionals at the Poison Control Center can provide expert advice on how to manage the situation and minimize potential harm. They will ask for details about the product ingested, the amount ingested, and the individual symptoms. Based on this information, they can recommend appropriate steps to take, such as monitoring the individual for specific symptoms, providing supportive care, or seeking medical evaluation at a hospital. It is important to follow their instructions carefully and provide them with any additional information they request. In some cases, it may be necessary to transport the individual to a hospital for further evaluation and treatment. Medical professionals at the hospital can provide more advanced care, such as administering medications to counteract the effects of the poison, providing intravenous fluids to maintain hydration, and monitoring vital signs. They may also perform tests to assess the extent of the damage to internal organs and provide appropriate treatment. In addition to seeking immediate medical attention, it is also important to take steps to prevent future incidents of accidental ingestion. Keep all cleaning products and other potentially hazardous substances stored in a secure location, out of reach of children and pets. Clearly label all containers with the name of the product and any relevant warnings or precautions. Avoid transferring cleaning products to unlabeled containers, as this can increase the risk of confusion and accidental ingestion. When using cleaning products, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and wear appropriate protective gear such as gloves and eye protection. Avoid mixing different cleaning products together, as this can create dangerous fumes or reactions. Dispose of empty containers properly, following local regulations. Educate children about the dangers of ingesting cleaning products and other hazardous substances. Teach them to recognize the warning signs on product labels and to never taste or swallow anything unless they are specifically told that it is safe to do so by a trusted adult. By taking these precautions, you can help prevent accidental ingestion and protect the health and safety of yourself and your loved ones. Remember that cleaning products are designed for cleaning purposes only and should never be used for any other purpose, especially not for consumption. Always store and handle these products with care and follow all safety instructions carefully. If you have any questions or concerns about the safety of cleaning products, consult with a medical professional or poison control center. They can provide you with accurate and up-to-date information and help you make informed decisions about your health and safety. In conclusion, dishwashing liquid and other cleaning products are not safe for consumption. They can cause serious harm if swallowed. If you or someone you know has ingested a cleaning product, seek immediate medical attention. Contact the National Poison Control Center at 1-800-222-1222 for guidance and instructions. Take steps to prevent future incidents of accidental ingestion by storing and handling cleaning products safely and educating children about the dangers of these substances. Your health and safety are paramount, so always exercise caution and seek professional help when needed.